Hey y'all, welcome back. So today I am going to be just removing polish off of my nails. I just want to show you guys how good this 100% acetone is that you can get from Sally Beauty Supply. It's by Beauty Secrets. You can soak off your artificial nails. It's easy to take off glitter. I have nail polish on, glitter, couple of coats of each, and it comes off so quick and easy. So I'm going to use cotton balls right now just so you guys can see a little bit better. I usually use microfiber towels to remove my polish so I can wash and reuse them, and I don't have to, always buy cotton balls. And see how quick that came off? So right now I'm showing you guys in real time me removing the nail polish. I'm probably going to speed it up towards the end, but right now you're going to watch it in real time so you can see how fast it comes off. So just to let you know, I am not pushing down really hard. I'm just, a regular amount of pressure just to get the polish off, because it comes off that easy with this acetone. Like, it's really good. You don't have to like push down hard and scrub when you're wearing glitter. You know how you have to like dang near break your fingernails, break your fingers. You're pushing down so hard to get that glitter off. You don't have to do that with this acetone. It only took me like 10.5 seconds or so to remove polish off just these two nails. So that just goes to show how fast it works. Sometimes you got to get in there and scrub a little bit harder, but for the most part it helps it come off really good. I had a little bit of staining from this polish. The polish I'm wearing is like a holographic nail polish. It's pretty thick, and then I also put a light coat of glitter on top, so that made it even more thick, which is why I wanted to go ahead and use this nail polish. But nail polish remover. But this is one of my favorite acetones. If I don't have this one, I also like Onyx, the Onyx Professionals. You can find that at like Walmart. And I like the 100% acetone in the blue bottle, the little round pump bottles at Dollar Tree. That also works really good. So now I am about to just manicure my nails a little bit. I'm putting on some cuticle remover that I poured into this little nozzle container I got from Dollar Tree out the craft section. But the cuticle remover I'm using is from Amazon, and it's a strong one. It's called Blue Cross, if I'm not mistaken, and it was like $3 or $4. So that's one of my favorite cuticle removers. I rub it in a little bit, let it sit for a few seconds, and I'm just going ahead and pushing my cuticles back, and I'm gonna remove all the cuticles, the dead skin, and all that stuff, get my nails all nice and ready for my next set of polish or nails. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do yet, if I'm just gonna slap some polish on my little shorties or if I'm gonna add some nail tips. The Blue Cross cuticle remover stuff works really good, and it works quick. It's one of my favorites. I have not used a cuticle remover that works as good as this Blue Cross has worked. Also, this tool I'm using here, it's a cuticle like tweezer looking tool. I found at Walmart, and I absolutely love it. I love that it's angled and it's made like a tweezer. It's just so much easier to like trim your cuticles and stuff like that. I really like that tool. And I found it at Walmart for, it wasn't much, I can't remember exactly, but under $8, I want to say. So yeah, that's it. I just did a quick manicure, nothing too fancy, and I'm all done. So I basically just want to share that with you guys, that nail polish remover and that cuticle remover. Give it a try.